Hello you guys, welcome to another video of DSD Rayrich. Today I have for you guys another video of my channel, but it's gonna be different than I do usual. Today we're gonna do a unboxing of the PS5. If you guys are up for that, if you are gonna buy it, I don't have any reviews yet about the PS5 because I haven't played it yet. Tonight is the first time we're gonna play this, and it's gonna be on Twitch. I will leave a link to my Twitch channel for you guys if you want to see me play. It's gonna be Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, if I'm not mistaken. So I hope you guys are ready for that, and I hope you guys want to see that. And now, without further ado, we're gonna do the unboxing. So here we are for you guys. Oh, here I am. Okay, you're not gonna see my face, but that doesn't matter. You only have to see my PlayStation, and I want to see it as well because I haven't opened it yet, so I want to see what's inside. So let's open the top already. Ooh, simple but nice. First up, we have the controller. Closer to the camera to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see. So what we have here, put that away. The new controller looks pretty dope. Controls feel still pretty nice. It does have like a little bit grip to it at the back. I like it. So you guys, the new controller, this is gonna be how it's gonna look. Pretty neat. Okay, what's next into the box? We have the power cable. Very useful power cable. Then we have a lot of books, what nobody ever reads, so not useful at all. Then we have, oh, the stand, where it's gonna stand on. Or I actually don't know if I'm gonna use the stand or not. Maybe I'm gonna lay it flat down. So this is how the stand is. Pretty, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna use. Oh, it slides. Didn't know it. Neat. But now, oh no. First, HDMI cable. Neat. Very, very neat. Now, I think we're up. Ooh, I see him. Oh, he's bigger than I expected. Oh, wait. There's still something inside. What's this? Oh, the power cable of the controller. Okay, now the moment we have been waiting for. I'm gonna put this box out of here. Pull this out. Oof. It's heavy, man. Ooh. Don't let it fall. It's heavier than I expected. I knew the box was already heavy, but this is insane. This is much heavier than the PlayStation 4. Much heavier. Okay. Oh. I have been looking forward to this for a year. I don't want to let it fall. Not at all. Okay. Here we go. PlayStation 5. What do you guys think? Is this pretty dope or isn't it? From the sides, from the front, back screen. I love it. Okay, I will let you guys see when it's set up on my desk, or next to my desk actually. So you guys, hopefully you liked the unboxing. I know this was amateur unboxing, but this is the best that I could do at this point. Maybe next time with PS6 I will be better. We'll